In the world of finance, moving money quickly and securely is often a top priority. Whether you're making a large purchase, sending funds to family, or handling a real estate transaction, wire transfers are a common method for transmitting funds with finality. If you're a member of PenFed Credit Union, Pentagon Federal Credit Union, or considering becoming one, you might be asking, does PenFed accept wire transfers? As a finance expert, let me clearly explain PenFed's stance on wire transfers, both incoming and outgoing, and provide you with the essential details to ensure your money moves smoothly. The clear answer: yes, PenFed does accept wire transfers. The short answer is yes. PenFed Credit Union does accept both incoming and facilitate outgoing wire transfers for its members. This is a standard service offered by most major financial institutions, including credit unions like PenFed. Wire transfers are a reliable way to send and receive funds quickly, often within the same business day for domestic transfers, because they are processed directly between financial institutions through systems like FedWire in the US or SWIFT for international transfers. However, understanding the specifics, including what information you'll need, associated fees, and cutoff times, is crucial for a successful transaction. Receiving a wire transfer to your PenFed account, incoming wires. If someone needs to send you money via wire transfer to your PenFed account, here's what you, or the sender, will need to know. PenFed's routing number. This is a crucial piece of information. For wire transfers to PenFed, the routing number is 256078446. This number identifies PenFed Credit Union in the U.S. banking system. Your PenFed account number. The sender will need your specific PenFed account number where the funds should be deposited. Ensure you provide the full, correct account number. Your name and address. The sender will need your full legal name as it appears on your PenFed account and your current address. No fee for incoming wires. This is excellent news for PenFed members. PenFed does not charge a fee to receive an incoming wire transfer, whether it's domestic or international. This can be a significant saving compared to some other financial institutions that might charge a fee for receiving wires. Cutoff time for same-day posting. For incoming wires to be posted to your account on the same business day, PenFed generally has a cutoff time of 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, CST. Wires received after this time will typically be posted on the next business day. Keep this in mind, especially if you're expecting urgent funds. For international incoming wires. While PenFed can receive international wires, the sender's international financial institution might need a correspondent bank in the U.S. to act as an intermediary. The sender will initiate the transfer with their bank, providing all the necessary details, including PenFed's routing number and your account information. They may also ask for PenFed's SWIFT/BC code, though for direct transfers to U.S. accounts, the routing number is often sufficient through the intermediary bank process. Sending a wire transfer from your PenFed account, outgoing wires. If you need to send money from your PenFed account via wire transfer, the process is slightly different and involves contacting PenFed directly. Contact PenFed Member Service. To initiate an outgoing wire transfer, you generally cannot do it online. You'll need to contact a PenFed Member Service representative. The standard phone number is 1-800-247-5626. Information needed for the recipient. You will need comprehensive information about the recipient and their bank. Recipient's full legal name and address, as it appears on their bank account. Recipient's account number, the exact account number where the funds are going. Recipient's bank name and address, the full legal name and physical address of the receiving financial institution. Recipient's bank's routing number, for domestic wires for transfers within the U.S. Recipient's bank's SWIFT/BC code. For international wires, this is essential for international transfers, as it identifies the specific bank globally. You may also need the recipient's international bank account number, IBAN, for transfers to certain countries, particularly in Europe. Purpose of the wire, sometimes required for compliance reasons, especially for larger amounts or international transfers. PenFed might ask about the purpose of the transfer.